Hi guys, so today I'm gonna walk through my process of painting this spotted orchid. I'm doing some loose petals at the background of the flower, and how I do the loose petals is that I wet the paper lightly with water, and then I take my paint and I drag it along the edge of the petal and let the paint combine with the water to make it a blurred type of petal. And the color I'm using is burnt sienna mixed with deep red and black. And as you can see how the water and the paint interact, making the effect a type of blurred sort of petal. Now I'm going to paint the edge of another petal, and this is another blurred petal, and I'm just painting along the edge of the petal, and I'm using a thick consistency of paint. Okay, so now when that's done, you could wet your brush and then drag the wet brush along the petal to create a blurred effect. Okay, now I'm painting along the edge of the flower, and all the color is only the burgundy color. There's no other color on the flower, it's just white and burgundy. The white will be the white of the paper. Okay, so now I'm just putting a light burgundy wash on this part of the flower, and as you can see, it's just really light. So right here I wet the paper, and then I'm adding tiny little dots, dotted patterns on this area of the flower.